Caddie GIS, the Geographic Information System available as an integrated application for Caddie Professional. For the first time, Caddie GIS provides the ability to combine comprehensive GIS data within your normal Caddie drawings. With Caddie GIS, you can tap in to the massive amount of information available through any internet connection, with data-rich content available from many global sources that include Google and Bing with their aerial and hybrid mapping, OpenStreetMap with category breakdowns including information on highways and buildings, offices and shops, from railways and public transport to electric vehicle charging points. All of this information can be brought into your Caddie drawings. On a national level, we have data from the likes of the UK Government, Ordnance Survey and Historic England, which allows us to furnish our drawings not only with the graphical information, but also details of the particular objects that we have within our drawings. Data regarding brownfield sites, public transport links, site areas, details of ownership and permissions current. All of this information can be downloaded directly into your drawings and using the appropriate projections and your schemes and proposals inserted directly into them within your Caddie drawings. With Caddie GIS, you can choose your location from anywhere in the world, finding your location with an easy search option that drills down on your chosen location in seconds. Inspect your location using the tile option. And choose the projection that best suits your needs, with recent projections saved to make selection simple. Choose the area which you would like to inspect from the globally available data. Then choose the type of information that you would like to include, refreshing your screen, importing the data. Choose Ordnance Survey data in various guises. Add further information on boroughs and boundaries. Add information regarding flood risk and water courses. Localize your search and add information on highways, railway infrastructure and access routes. Include buildings within your search, including offices and shops. Identify leisure facilities, sporting arenas and other amenities. Access information on brownfield sites. Tap into the resource of information that is there associated with each object that's brought into your drawings, from the local authority to permissions to site areas. With Caddie GIS, it's no longer necessary to rely upon copy and paste or scaling PDFs or other information brought in from external sources and programs. Everything can be done in the one Caddie Professional program using the Caddie GIS application and the normal Caddie Professional tools. Ownerships, web links, site areas, permissions and use classes, site accessibility, and even down to the type of goods stocked in certain shops. All of this information is available for you within your drawings by the Caddie GIS application, and the data that is out there free to download and incorporate within your drawings. So whether you need information to help you prepare local plans, road and traffic proposals, speculative housing, office, retail, warehousing or industrial schemes, tree and forestry maintenance schemes, use Caddie GIS to bring that information together in the one place, straight into your Caddie drawing. So welcome to Caddie GIS, and welcome to a world of information streamed direct into your Caddie drawings.